In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to remove uploads from Clipchamp quickly and easily. If your media library is getting cluttered with old videos, unused images, or duplicate files, cleaning it up can make your editing workflow much smoother. I'll walk you through the step-by-step process so you can safely delete uploads from any Clipchamp project. And if you find this helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical Clipchamp tutorials. All right, let's get started. First, open Clipchamp in your browser and log in to your account. Once you're inside the dashboard, go to any project of your choice. You can either open an existing project that already contains uploaded media or create a new one if needed. For this tutorial, any project will work because we're focusing on managing the uploads inside the media library. After your project opens, look over to the Media panel where all your uploaded files are stored. This is where Clipchamp keeps your videos, images, audio files, and other assets that you've previously imported into the project. If you've been editing for a while, you might notice that this area can quickly become crowded. Now, to remove an upload, hover your mouse over the file you want to delete. When you hover over the media item, you'll see a small More Options button appear. This is usually represented by 3 dots. Go ahead and click on that More Options button. A small menu will appear with different actions you can take for that file. From the list of options, click on Delete. This tells Clipchamp that you want to remove this specific upload from your project's media library. After you click Delete, Clipchamp will ask you to confirm your decision. This is an important step because deleting an upload can remove it from your project if it's not being used elsewhere. When the confirmation message appears, click on the Yes Remove button that's highlighted. Once you confirm, the file will immediately disappear from your Uploads panel. And that's it. The upload has now successfully removed from your Clipchamp project. You can repeat the same process for any other files you no longer need. Just hover over the upload, click the 3 dots, select Delete, and confirm by clicking Yes Remove. Keeping your uploads organized is a great habit, especially if you work on multiple projects. It helps reduce confusion, prevents you from accidentally using the wrong file, and makes your editing process faster overall. If you're managing a lot of media, taking a few minutes to clean up unused uploads can really improve your workflow. I hope this tutorial helped you understand how to remove uploads from Clipchamp step by step. If it did, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy Clipchamp guides in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.